Hey guys, welcome to the shop. Now this is my official announcement video that I have started a Patreon account. Now up until this point I've made absolutely nothing, basically, financially, on my YouTube account, which was never the intention. I never intended to come at this from a financial benefit standpoint. But there comes a point to when you're consuming so much of your extra time that I would be using to make money for my family and repair my home and everything else. I'm using it to make films for you. Now I love doing it. I wouldn't do it if I didn't, because I absolutely get nothing other than satisfaction out of it. So if you'd like to help and make this continue in the schedule that it has been lately, please consider joining my Patreon account. It doesn't take much, and every little bit counts. And everybody always seems to think that, everybody else is helping. Well, let me tell you from experience that they're not. At least the vast majority. So, if you'd like to help, please consider joining my Patreon account. The link's in the description, and I'll see you around.